There are three ways to install a plugin to the WordPress. The first one is just go to the plugin, add new. So you can just search for your plugin. If you have know the name, you can search it here, and you can directly install it. So here you can install the plugins and activate it. So one more option is there. You can upload, if you have installed, if you have downloaded a plugin from somewhere else, a paid plugin or a developed plugin, then you can go to the upload section, upload plugin, and choose that plugin here, the one you have downloaded, and you can straight away install that plugin here. So one more option is there. You can do it from your server end. Go to the file manager of your Cpanel, click the file manager, then go to the designated folder where you have your WordPress has been installed. Just click the WordPress content in the plugins. Here you have the plugin folder. Here you need to upload the plugin you have downloaded. So go to upload, select the downloaded plugin. It will be uploaded. Then go back to the plugin folder, right click and extract that plugin here. Refresh it. So you can see that plugin has been installed. You can delete this one. This is not required now. So go back to the dashboard. Here if you see the plugin, you can have that plugin here. You just need to activate that plugin. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching.